I will never sleep on an American AK-47 again. Ever.
Dude, it's so cold. It's so cold.
Good morning, afternoon, after morning, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger. You may notice I have some new equipment. This is Mayana. The microphone, little screen in between so you can understand me better. Maybe. I love firearms. I was in the military for 20 years. I shot a lot of firearms. Deployed twice to Iraq, once to Afghanistan. No biggie. But the point is, I've shot a lot of different types of firearms in my life. I would say I'm a shooting enthusiast. I'm a gun enthusiast. I love it. Absolutely. But this gun comes with a story. It is a Century Arms VSKA. VSKA. It's an acronym. Century Arms is an American gun manufacturer from Vermont. And it's the first part of VSKA. So I'm used to AKs. I've shot a lot of AKs in my time, but they're all foreign AKs. They're all made while I was deployed. I shot them while I was deployed. So a lot of them are Romanian, and a lot of them were from different countries. None of them were from the United States. And the AKs that I shot that were American made weren't that great, in my opinion. So when my brother-in-law gave me this AK, American made AK from a firearms dealer or firearms manufacturer from a firearms manufacturer that I really haven't heard of, I was kind of, okay, it's a free gun, man. It was a free gun. That's it. You can't complain about a free gun. And then he gave it to me, and it's synthetic stock. The bluing is not the best, in my opinion, which I didn't know a lot. I didn't know a lot about American AKs, American made AKs, and I'd heard some stories. The only thing I really heard about Century Arms is from their earlier AK attempts at making AKs, and they weren't pretty. Nothing. I wouldn't say I wasn't pleased, but I had my concerns. I did my research, and the one thing is, I was used to the wood furnished AKs, the battle torn AKs that still, the synthetic Century Arms AK-47 VSKA is not a pretty weapon at all. When I picked it up, I was kind of disappointed. But a free gun is a free gun. Was I ever wrong? I will never sleep on an American AK-47 again. Ever. This thing, it was used, and my brother-in-law couldn't get rid of it. He couldn't sell it, so he's like, here you go, pretty much. I am fortunate that this happened. This gun, used, I did not make any adjustments. I just saw that it was at its battlefield 0 took it out to a sand pit, a friend's sand pit, just to zero it. And I didn't have to. I didn't have to touch anything. I didn't have to make adjustments. I have to make some.
You know what time it is? It's range time. It's range day. I have my Sentry Arms. I have my Sentry Arms VSKA American-made AK. First time I've shot it, my brother-in-law got it for me. I've had it for about a year. Haven't been able to shoot it. I'm out on this lovely range right here at a friend's sand pit. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be awesome. I haven't shot a gun in a very long time. I'm gonna zero this bad boy and see how it goes. So I have a 20 round mag. It's on safe. I've already cleared it, but I'm gonna clear it again. There is no rounds in that chamber. There's no magazine in. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna see and kind of check things out. So I've never shot this. I've already preset it at the 100 meter. It's still in meters, even though it's American made. And I wanted to see where my front sight post is located. It's kind of centered. It is centered. I do have the tool to fix it, and I have the cleaning kit also, which is a tool to clean it, or clean it, both a tool to clean it and adjust the sight. Approximately 50 meters. Approximately 50 meters, give or take. Extra round for good measures. Safety, clear. Round out of the chamber. Perfect 3-round group, really close. That fourth was just kind of approximately 100 yards. It's cold. Loving this. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the wind. It's windy. So just to make sure, approximately 100 yards. You see the box? I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna shoot it. I'm shooting. Yes, sir. Dude, it's so cold. It's so cold. Yeah. All right.